Alright, we're about to bleed the brakes on this thing today. So we're gonna start off by, let's jack this car up. Let's jack this car up and get this thing good to go. I'm gonna put the car on all four stands and take all the wheels off. It makes life a lot easier than trying to get under the car, get behind the wheel, and do all that crap. So yeah, I'm gonna start off by jacking it all up, get all four stands on it, and let's go.
Kiss the good life, good, kiss the good life. Kiss the good life, good, kiss the good life.
We'll start from the farthest away from the brake booster. The brake booster's on the driver's side in the engine bay. So the farthest away would be passenger side rear, driver's side rear next, passenger side front, and then driver's side front. So here we are, the passenger rear. There's a nipple in the back of here, right there. Loosen it with an 8mm. On this car, it's an 8mm in the rear, 10mm in the front. Take this bottle, this is what I made. Super easy. Just some tubing that'll fit around the nipple, zip tie to tighten it up, and a bottle with a hole drilled in the top for the tube to go through. It'll go on it. So I got it on there with the zip tie, tighten it up. Alright, so I got my bottle here. This is what I'll be using. So we got the tube that comes from the nipple that goes into this hole I drilled in the top of the lid into the bottle. This is already previous brake fluid that when I bled the brakes last time. Take the hose, put it on the nipple. I zip tied it to the nipple so it's nice and tight on there. And then we set this bottle on top of the, I set this bottle on top of this toolbox. It'll elevate this bottle above or level, I guess, with the nipple, so the tube runs up and then goes back down. I believe the reason you want this is so the air doesn't go back into the system, basically, when you depress the brakes. So yeah, so now we'll take the 8mm. Now we'll take the wrench and we'll loosen it. And then you'll start to see fluid coming out of the line. I'm gonna press the brake one time. So keep in mind that when you press the brakes, in the brake reservoir, in the brake booster reservoir, it will go down. So if you let it go down too far, I know that'll just get more air in the system. So let's not do that. Alright, so topped it off for brake fluid. Now I'm gonna go depress the brakes and try and get all the air out of the lines again. Just press it 3 times and let's go check it out. This is exactly what we want to see. So you got the line. Absolutely no bubbles in the line at all. Just all liquid, which is amazing. So we're gonna take it, tighten it back up. And then move on to the next one. And that's how you bleed the brakes. We'll do this with all 4, same way. And you want to go from the farthest away from the brake booster to the closest. The brake booster is in the driver's side of the engine bay. So it'll go passenger rear, driver rear, passenger front, and then driver front last. So, yep, we're going to do all 4 the same way like this.